Hi guys! We are... Ay, ano ba naman? Bangs to, uy! Bangs ni ate girl. Ano na? Mukha tayong bagong gising. So today is Sunday, guys. We are going to football. Aalis na kami. Pupunta na kami. I feel like today is just a chill day. Nothing much happening today because this is Sunday. And I kind of want to rest. Tell the guys what you're eating.
Well, that's not a guy.
Yes, this is the guys. I know, that's the same, but that one is doing something now. You tell them what's happening. He's eating lunch, guys. We're watching. What are you watching?
What's the onion? That's the onion.
It will come out soon. This one is barbecue salami buns and cheese.
Spam.
Spam, okay. And that's one cucumbers. Loves cucumbers.
Bye, guys.
Tapos ayan, si Alba, I just let him play. Nakatungtong siya. Just don't step on that. Go down, please. And then Play-Doh is on the side. Diba? Mess everywhere.
Yeah, because
So I feel like okay, just be messy today. We'll tidy up before we go to bed tonight. So we're gonna be early bed tonight because there's nursery tomorrow. So early bed. So no nap this afternoon, although I'm tired. So baka mag-coffee ako or magla-lunch na siguro ako. Late lunch na, guys, kasi anong oras na? That's as 2 o'clock na, guys, ng hapon. So breakfast ako about mga 9. So ngayon nagugutom na ako kasi hindi pa ako nag-lunch. So late lunch and then ayun na siguro yun. Yung dinner is Alba na lang kasi ako later na lang. So ayun.
Rolling. Bye, guys.
Say hi, bye guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Nagpe-paint naman siya ngayon, guys.
Wait me.
So, ito yung first, niya dito is yung paint. Pencil, tas ayan, eraser. So, yung sa next one is mostly pens. Ayan, diba? Tas may notepad. Ano ba yung third? Third is colors and color pencil. Ayan, ang nice niya pang arts and crafts. Dahil si Alba, mahilig siya sa arts and crafts. Independent playing, yun tinatry kong i-aim kay Alba kasi yun yung mostly nakakapag hugas ako sa plato, nakakapaglinis ako, or anything na I need to do, he lets me do it kapag may ginagawa siya na kaya niyang gawin. May nilalaro siya na kaya niyang gawin on his own, na hindi niya ako kailangan. So, Play-Doh. Pero, syempre, it's good to play with them. Na, syempre, para may kalaro, lalo na pag walang siblings, ganun. So, yun. Play-Doh, nung nakaraan, binili ko. Binili namin ni David. Kasi nga, mahilig siya recently, mahilig siya molds ng sa Play-Doh. So, sabi ko, pag binili ko, makakalaro siya mag-isa. So, which is, nilaro niya mag-isa. And then, this is the Play-Doh. Let me show you guys. Oops. This is the Play-Doh, the Lego table na binili ko nung Christmas. So, ayan. Tapos, yung laman nito, naaangat to, guys. Naaangat siya. Storage din siya. Yan, Magnetiles, Lego. So, eto, gustong-gusto ko to kasi talagang nalalaro, nagagamit. So, and at the same time, maganda siyang learning sa brain, development ng brain ng bata. So, ayun. Yun lang ang ano natin. Ang tips natin for today's.
Mommy, can I get...
Dumaan yung lola niya. Nagdala ng McDonald's, guys. Happy Meal and chicken nuggets Happy Meal and milkshake ni Alba. Anong oras na ba? 2 pa lang eh. Ano ba 2? What time is it? Magti-3. Magti-3 pa lang.
Hi guys, I got milkshake.
You got milkshake.
I'm gonna open that for the guys.
You're gonna open it for the guys. You too. So the guys can see us.
I'm gonna show guys my milkshakes. Okay.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Like, can you wash your hands properly? You've got still paint there and paint there. Can you wash it properly, please?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Hey, just open that. Open that.
I'll open up. Go and wash your hands.
Good time.
Dinner is organized. Mag-adobo sana kami sa dinner. Ako pala mag-adobo pa rin. Si Alba mag-adobo sana to dinner time. Kaso ito na lang. Let's see kung kainin niya. Kasi parang busog pa to. Nag-ano to eh. Ano ba yun? Nag-lunch, diba? Nag-lunch na siya ng 1. So, nag-crackers pa. So, feeling ko hindi to kakain masyado pa. Anyway, labat natin. You can eat if you want. And then, favorite niyang sauce, barbecue sauce, guys. Barbecue sauce sa McDonald's. Mas ano siya, barbecue sauce more than ketchup. Harap ng chips bagong luto.
Hi guys! I'm having toast.
You're having toast. So guys, this is nighttime. Well, going into evening na.
But why did you do that?
Nawa.
Dad, I need to dance.
Wait na ba? Well, I'm just finishing up here because we're gonna go upstairs soon. So Alba will just Alba had an early dinner earlier. So ano lang siya, mag-toast with Nutella lang siya before bedtime para hindi magutom. Doesn't need to naman, pero ayoko kasi na magising siya or ayoko kasi na, diba, pag gutom tayo, hindi tayo nakakatulog. So ayokong maging cause ng pagising because tomorrow is nursery day, school day. So as much as possible, early bed kami tonight. And also nursery. And also nursery. So early bed kami tonight. And then prepare for work tomorrow night. So ayun. Kaya gusto ko ang bahay malinis na din. And ready na for tomorrow. Alba, be careful.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change,